Are you concerned about the best practices to clean your mesh filter? Well, look no further. In this video, we're going to be covering the 3 different methods to clean your mesh filter and which method is best for you. Stick around. Hi everybody, my name's Andrew Kotlar, and today I'm here to answer the question, how exactly do I clean my mesh filter? Well, you see, W.S. Tyler has been doing this for literally 150 years. And I guess you can say we know a few things about mesh filter cleaning. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the importance of cleaning a mesh filter, the 3 methods used to clean a mesh filter, and what cleaning method you should use. So, let's get started. So you know how it goes. Your filter gets plugged, blinded, or debris builds up and you no longer can filter properly. So what does that exactly mean though? Well, that means your throughput and your accuracy they plummet. And if your filter gets severe buildup, that could lead to damaging back pressure, which also causes your equipment to run less efficiently and increases energy expenses. Not great, right? So with that said, what methods are used to clean mesh filters? Well, there's basically 3 methods. These methods include backflushing, pressure washing, and chemical cleaning. This is the process in which the flow of a substance is reversed within the filter system. It purges any plugs or accumulations in the openings of the filter. This is basically the most common way to clean a mesh filter because it removes the hard to reach particles that you can't normally get to any other way. Yes, it's the most satisfying thing to watch online and can also be the perfect cleaning method for your mesh filter. Pressure washing is a pressurized jet of water that removes all the stubborn particles that are being a little difficult. So while this method minimizes the amount of manual scrubbing you need to do, when it comes to removing particles plugged in openings, it's not as effective as backflushing. But if you want to be highly satisfied while cleaning your mesh filter, by all means. Chemical cleaning is the process in which contaminant particles are removed from the surface of a mesh filter using various chemicals such as detergents, solvents, and alcohol. This process is relatively manual and is probably the least effective against particles. Well, there are several factors that you should take into account. This being, what are the equipment types and installation conditions? For example, not all systems are necessarily designed to be backflushed, such as the Porostars filter. Because of how large the equipment these are used for is, there's plenty of room to actually pressure wash or clean with chemicals without any disassembly. But on another note, you should also consider the alloy of the mesh filter. Many mesh filters are made from stainless steel or Hastelloy, which can withstand all 3 cleaning methods. However, no matter what alloy you use, the cleaning method must align with the durability of the alloy. So, in closing, we went through the reasons why you should clean mesh filters, the 3 methods used to clean mesh filters, and what cleaning method is right for you. And so, you should be ready to give your mesh filters the TLC that they deserve. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, fill out a Contact Us form so we can answer your specific questions. Just click the link in the description. And if you'd like to learn more about woven wire mesh or our many products, we have a learning center filled with written and video content to make you an expert. Just click the second link and you'll be that expert in no time. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring that bell to keep up with all things W.S. Tyler. Once again, my name is Andrew Kotlar and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye for now.